Welcome back to I Got It Out the Soil, and today I'm going to be making a video about how I'm going to get rid of my ants with these two products. This product is called Concentrated Cold Press. I think it was like $9 and some change on Amazon. This was like $11. This is an 8 ounce. It's the Dr. Bronner's Pure Crystal soap. I don't know why I couldn't say that. The citrus scent get rid of some of the ants out my garden bed. And I'm gonna mix a little solution right now. And give me 1 second. I'm about to get my watering can. My bad, y'all. I also had to get my Kellogg's organic fish fertilizer. This is about to run out. But I do got another fertilizer called Alaska fish fertilizer. So if y'all haven't seen that video, I told y'all the price of this, how many ounces. Go to Shop With Me Home Depot, and y'all see the prices and what I bought this for. And the reason why I didn't get this one. So let's get to it. I'm gonna water the garden bed first, and then put the orange oil in, and then for my plants that need the fish fertilizer, I'm gonna fertilize that plant. So. I got some water already in here. I just finished water and fish fertilizer in my bed. This stuff right here is really freaking thick. It looks disgusting. I'm not gonna even lie to you. Oof. I ain't gonna tell you what it looks like. But anyway, let's get to this. It's 1 ounce. I don't know what an ounce is. So I'm going to girl, I'm gonna put this in here until the ancestors say stop. Okay, we're gonna do it like we cooking food, put a little seasoning, you know. So girl, 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, that's how much I'm gonna put in there. And I'm gonna do the same with this, because girl, they ain't got no directions getting rid of ants. 1, 2, 3. Some more. This garden be pretty big. They scattering, so I guess it's lucky. So hopefully y'all seen that. Where it's like white collecting, that's the orange oil. I put it in the garden bed too, just around the perimeter. So if I have any, it'll run out, because they've been running. Oh, okay, you can see some right here. Y'all see them ants running out of there? Hope it works. Yeah, I don't know what that's about. They just sitting on this thing on the ledge of the garden bed. All of them came out. I don't know if some of them stung or what. But supposedly they don't like the smell of orange oil. So yeah. So I put it in the garden bed and on this black mat. Just to push them far away. If that don't work, I'll put some more. Maybe I ain't diluted enough. Now I hope this is a good angle. If I haven't said so already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your family and friends, because sharing is caring. Make sure you share this video with your family and friends so they can know what we do over here and I got it out the soil. And ring that notification bell so you will know every time I drop a video. And until next time, peace. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, now that I know that I'm in the scene, I'm gonna have to tell you, y'all gonna have to. Soon as I say y'all gonna have this. As soon as I said y'all gonna have to excuse the noise, the AC came on. Oh Lord, I need a mic. Somebody make a mic that works for Androids, please. This don't make no sense. Don't get discouraged. Hopefully y'all don't hear that AC. If y'all see me getting ashy, these mosquitoes is biting me, so I'm gonna rub my skin, try not to scratch. I'm in the middle of the day. I was trying to film with light because it's been cloudy for the past few days, and I like to film when the sun is about to set, so I get the best lighting that way.